Afternoon, guys. Okay, so slight deja vu here. I've just done a video, I thought I did a video for the 233 because there's a few people interested and wanted to see how it cut, which I have up on eBay for sale. And I've been talking to myself for 5 minutes and the camera I obviously didn't click on. Okay, so I'll show a few more cuts with it and hopefully suitable for one of you guys out there. So this is generally the first time, so this will be the second time I've cut with her now. So I've got a huge delivery of wood arrived, about 5 tons of wood, and there's a load of timber between like 4 inch to 7 or 8 inch, so kind of great for the smaller limbs. So I'll show you how she cuts. It's a fabulous start of the 233. So kill switch. Okay guys, hope that's clear. She cuts really well. So for this size timber, 3, 4, 5, 6 inch timber, just a beautiful lightweight garden saw. Alright, I'll quickly show her on a restart, do a couple more cuts. It's quite addictive actually to use. Fabulous small firewood saw, just fabulous. Kill switch. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching. So, cut's beautiful. That's my Oleo Mac 233 up for sale on eBay as a collector's item. Any questions, please just ask. Anyone want to take a look, you're more than welcome. Bye for now guys.